In this case, I want to use a quote from one of my favorite movies, The Dark Knight. I'm gonna put the hero we needed. Okay, and then there you go. Okay, here it is. This is the one I want. Of course, Instagram doesn't let you upload clips that are under 3 seconds, so this one is perfect for us. Now we go to this menu down below. We're gonna go to the green button. Now we go to Instagram. We go to the create a new post section. We drag the clip. We adjust the aspect ratio. Okay. And then we can put our cover photo. I like the first one. We can also cut the clip. Here we can put our description, and we can put, like, for example, like this. We can put hashtags too. And that would be all. That's how you can get clips for Instagram Reels.